Today we are talking about this rational expression and how to solve for x. We see a fraction on the left-hand side of the equal sign and a different fraction on the right-hand side of the equal sign. They do not have the same denominator. What we're going to do is cross multiplication. I like to color coordinate, so let's do it this way. I'm crossing each of these and then multiplying what's in each colored bubble on each side of the equal sign. What do I mean? Sit tight. So in the blue, we have 6 times x minus 3. Big fan of parentheses here just to make sure everything is being multiplied properly. So 6 times x minus 3 equals 4 times x plus 3. From here, we are going to distribute. First, we have 6x from this distribution minus 6 times 3, which is 18. And that all is going to equal, distributing on the pink side, 4 times x plus 4 times 3, 12. Okay, where do we go from here? Let's identify some like terms and get them on the same side. First, I'm seeing 6x over here, 4x over here. If they're both positive, I'll usually subtract the smaller one so that we have a positive number on the other side. So minus 4x from 6x is going to give us 6x minus 4x, 2x, 4x minus 4x cancels. We still have the negative 18 plus 12. Let's get everything kind of over. Let's get the x on this side and the number on this side so we can eventually divide. And to do that, we would add 18 over here and add 18 over here. Whatever you do on one side of the equal sign, you have to do on the other. That's going to cancel. 12 plus 18 is 30. Okay, so we have 2x equals 30. I want the x by itself because then that's us solving for x. So let's just divide by 2 on both sides. This is going to cancel the 2 over here and just give us x. 30 divided by 2, 15. Cute. Okay, that is how you solve this equation. To get x equals 15 as your answer. It is so lovely. Let's make it cute. Much better. If you have any questions about how we did this, leave a comment with your question. I'll do my best to create a new video. Like, thumbs up if you found this content helpful, and share it with your friends. If you know someone who could use help with cross multiplying, send this video. If they're anything like me, seeing additional examples is always helpful. And subscribe if you're looking for more help like this with Matthew. Thank you.